Introducing the Onvis Smart Plug, the ultimate smart home accessory that takes convenience and control to a whole new level. This Matter-certified smart plug is compatible with all certified smart home platforms, including Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings. Say goodbye to downloading multiple apps. With the Onvis Smart Plug, you'll have a unified smart home experience. Thanks to its advanced thread technology, this smart plug offers a more responsive and efficient performance. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily control your devices remotely with just a few taps on your smartphone. Simply connect it to a HomePod Mini or Apple TV and enjoy seamless control from anywhere. Controlling your devices has never been easier. Use the intuitive app or voice commands with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri to effortlessly manage your smart plug. Set up schedules and timers to automate your devices, making your life even more convenient. Designed with practicality in mind, the Onvis Smart Plug features a compact design that won't block additional outlets. It allows you to stack two mini smart plugs in a single outlet, maximizing its utility. Privacy is a priority with the Onvis Smart Plug. Enjoy 100% privacy with no cloud, registration, or data tracking. With local intelligence and direct communication, your personal information remains secure without the need for a bridge or cloud dependency. Take control of your entire home with grouping and sharing capabilities. Connect multiple plugs to create a group in your app, allowing you to control all connected devices with a single command. Share your plugs with family members, creating a truly connected home experience for everyone. To enjoy the full benefits of the Onvis Smart Plug, it requires specific devices. For Amazon users, a compatible hub such as Echo, 4th Gen, is required. For Apple users, ensure you have iOS, iPadOS 16.4, or later, or Android 8.1, or later, and a hub of your chosen platform such as Apple TV 4K, 2nd Gen, or HomePod Mini. Samsung users need the SmartThings Hub V3, while Google users require devices like Nest Hub, 2nd Gen, or Nest Hub Max. Upgrade your home with the Onvis Smart Plug. Experience effortless control, enhanced responsiveness, and absolute privacy. Get yours now at the short link below. Short link. Insert short link.